Think you've got what it takes to defy gravity? Today, we're challenging you to design a parachute that can save an egg from a 10-foot drop. Will your egg survive or go splat? Stick around to the end for tips to ace this challenge and show off your results. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button for more fun STEM challenges and science experiments you can try at home. Step 1. Gather your materials. You'll need an egg lightweight material, like a plastic bag or coffee filter string tape, and something for the parachute frame, like straws or popsicle sticks. Step 2. Build the parachute. Cut your parachute material into a large circle or square. Attach string to the edges and connect those strings to a small basket or harness for your egg. Make sure the egg fits snugly so it doesn't fall out. Step 3. Test your design. Now for the fun part. Take your parachute to a safe height, like a staircase or balcony, with adult supervision, and drop it. Will your egg land safely, or will it break? Keep watching, because at the end, I'll share some pro tips to make your parachute even better, like how to adjust the weight and balance for a smoother landing. Did your egg survive the fall? Share your results in the comments, and don't forget to tag us if you post your attempts. Like this video and subscribe for more awesome STEM challenges. Remember, science is all about experimenting and having fun, so don't give up and keep creating. Stay curious, keep building, and we'll see you in the next challenge.